Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Alice. In my last episode, we explored the world of ancient Egypt. We made plaster figures of busts and webbed a little kitten mummy. It was such a fun hands-on journey. This time we will be exploring more. I will be painting, digging, and decorating a few mysterious items inspired by ancient legends. And also, we will be wrap it all up with a peaceful journaling section to reflect on everything we discovered. So grab your favorite drink and let's get into this adventure together. In the last episode, I painted 2 plaster figures inspired by ancient Egypt, Bust, the cat goddess, and a little mummy. And in this episode, we are traveling across the ocean to the jungles of Central America. This time, I'm painting a corn god from the Maya civilization. He represents life, renewal, and the beauty of nature. I'm using brown, green, and yellow for him. They remind me of the earth, leaves, and the golden corn under the sun. It's a peaceful mix, and I think it really suits this god. Okay, let's keep painting. Okay, let's do some digging. I've got this little sandy block and I'm using the wooden stick that came in the kit. It's a bit dusty and the pieces are buried pretty deep, so I'm just gentle scraping away the layers. I wasn't really sure what I'd found in this block, but one by one they started to show up. An ankh, a stamp, looks like ancient Egypt is still follow us. I guess even though we've moved on to Maya themes, Egypt doesn't want to say goodbye just yet. After all that crafting, it's journaling time. I got some new supplies recently, so let's do a little journaling together. Okay, so here's the final outcome. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!